Very good morning, guys. Welcome to JS Testing Academy again for watching the Java programs for automation interview. Okay, in this video or tutorial, we are going to add a small program to find an occurrence of a given string. Okay, suppose there is there is any string, right? How many words is repeatedly in the string? The finding that is called as an occurrence of a string. Okay, so let's go and create a program now. Small class now. Occurrence of a string. This program is a very important program. I've seen lot of interviews. They've asked this program occurrence of a string. Okay, so please go through this one. Okay, first I'll create a main method. Okay, then I'll create a string, which string I'm going to find an occurrence. Okay, for example, again I'll go back to JS Testing Academy, which we are doing in the past. Okay, okay, now if you see this string, right, in the first yes is repeated two times, right? T is repeated two times. Okay, and A is repeated two times. Okay, so one particular word is how many times is repeated. Finding that is called as an occurrence of a string. Okay, now let's move on to the next line. Yes dot. So I need to convert this into an array. So this string should be converted to an array. For that, I'll use one method called as toChar array, and I'm just storing it as an character. Okay, in the name char array. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. I'm using map here. Why I'm going for a map is, right, since I want to store this as a key value pair, I'm going for a map. Okay, map is comes under collections. Okay, map is coming under a collection. Map is an interface and it comes under the collections. Okay, now I'm going to store as a character and integer. Okay, so now then I'll put a reference here, m equal to. Okay, now I'll go to the next line. Okay, I created reference m. Please have a learning about collections in Java, so that will be very helpful. Okay, that's a separate topic where I will post a video for collections also. Okay, now what we'll do is, right, I'm getting converting the string into an char array. After that, I'm going to use a for each loop and just iterate and store it in C. Okay, that is what I'm doing here. Okay, now I'm using an if loop condition. I'm giving if m dot, okay, dot contains key. Okay, so the purpose of contain key works with map interface. It checks that particular key is present in the map or not. For example, we'll take the first key as J and check it, then the second key as yes and check it, then T testing T as check it. So each time is going to iterate. First word is going to check whether the key is there or not. Then if it is there, it performs one operation. If not, it's going to perform another operation. It's going to check whether that key is present in that particular char array or not. That's it. If it is there, it returns true, otherwise it returns false. Okay, now for in hand map, right, if you want to add, I want to use the method put. M dot put, then C is a key, and I'm going to add a value here, M dot get. Okay, C plus 1. Okay, and then I'm going to use an else condition and put M dot put C. Okay, 1. Okay, Now the logic is right. It checks that particular key is there. If it is there, it goes to the key. See, first time it's going to, sorry, okay. First it goes, checks the C. First time what happens? J is there. Checks whether J is repeatedly occurred or not. If it is occurred, it adds plus 1. If it is not occurred, it comes to the else loop. Then again it goes to yes, checks whether yes is present or not in the another time occurred or not. If it is occurred, it is going to add plus 1, else it's going to come to the else condition. Third, it's going to check T. Same thing, each word is going iterated with the help of the for each loop, right? So this is what it's happening. It checks J. If it is occurred, it adds 1, else it prints the else condition. Net goes for yes, and it checks, right, and checks whether it's occurred or not. If it is there, it adds 1 and checks again yes is there. If it is not there, it comes to the else loop. Got it? So this is the right, the flow or logic to find an occurrence of a string. Let me run the code. See, A is occurred two times, right? S is occurred two times, C is one time, and T is two time, and D is one time, E is two time, and G. Like that, it will check the occurrence of all the string. Okay, it's going to check the occurrence of all the string. Let me change a string, another string. Let us see. Okay, we'll take one very simple thing, right? Automation. Automation. Okay, let me run this one. So in automation we see, right, A one time, capital A one time, right, small a one time, T two times, U is one time, I one time, M one time, and O is two times. Okay, so it checks the occurrence of a string. Okay, I hope this video is useful to you. Please have a right. Go through this program because I have seen lot of recent interviews in my academy where this occurrence of string is repeatedly asked in interview, an automation interview. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope this one is useful to you. Bye, see you in the next part of the video.